Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 3 of the video lecture series Permutation and Combination. In this video we are going to study circular permutation part 1. Okay, in the previous fun classes we have covered when the all objects are the distinct for the numbers as well as for the alphabets. In this video we are going to study the circular permutation. Most of the students prefer to skip this circular permutation. But trust me, after watching this, you will first find out the questions from the circular permutation in your exam. So let's get started. So I have divided the circular permutation topic in 4 parts. We will come back to this slide again once we complete our basic concepts. So what is circular permutation? Circular permutation. So if you have understood the linear permutation, then the circular permutation is very easy. So for example, if suppose we have 5 distinct objects and we want to arrange them linearly. So tell me in how many ways you can do this. Definitely your answer will be 5 factorial ways, which is 120. Okay, this we have covered in detail in previous 2 fun classes. Now suppose if we have the same 5 objects and we want to arrange them circular in a circular way. Same 5 objects we want to arrange in a circular fashion. Then what? Okay, suppose we have these chairs. Suppose this is a round table and suppose we have these chairs. Now what? How to arrange these 5 different objects on this circular table? Okay, so this is the concept. So for arranging this, again we have to consider 2 cases. Okay, so the first one is your circular arrangement with reference to objects and with reference to table. Okay, so this is first and this is second. So first we'll try to understand the circular permutation with reference to objects. Let's consider we have a circle here and these are the 5 chairs we have. 1 2 3 4 and 5 chairs, and we have 5 students here. Suppose Ram, Sham, Rahul, Nilesh, and Omkar. Suppose these are the 5 students we have. Now first tell me, with reference to object we are talking, first tell me whenever the Ram want to sit in one of the chair, then how many options he will have with reference to object where object means here our object is Ram. So how many options he has? Ram. अभी राम आएगा तो इसको देखेगा. सो इफ ही अगर इधर आएगा तो देखेगा कि लेफ्ट में कौन है और राइट में कौन है. उसके लेफ्ट में भी कोई नहीं है और राइट में भी कोई नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर वो यहाँ पे आ गया और यहाँ पे देखेगा इसके लेफ्ट में कौन है और इसके राइट में कौन है, कोई भी नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, सो सपोज वो यहाँ पे आया राम थर्ड चेयर पे और देखा इसके लेफ्ट में कौन है राइट में कौन है, कोई भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे देखा इसके लेफ्ट में और राइट में कौन है, कोई नहीं है. इसके लेफ्ट में और राइट में, इस चेयर के लेफ्ट में और राइट में कौन है, कोई नहीं है. मतलब whenever the Ram is choosing a chair, he cannot find any difference in the sitting arrangement. Suppose he choose this chair, ये चेयर उठाया उसने, तो उसकी लेफ्ट में और राइट में कोई नहीं है, नो वन हैज ऑक्युपाइड दिस स्पेस, नो वन हैज ऑक्युपाइड दिस अदर स्पेस। ओके, मतलब इस each and every chair is same for the first object, means what, he has only one option। ठीक है, उसको 5 चेयर दिख रहे हैं बट दे आर नॉट डिस्टिंक्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट। राम के लिए वो सिर्फ एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है। ओके, बट व्हेन श्याम कम्स एंड ही वांट टू चूज अ सीट, अभी देखो क्या हो रहा है। अगर श्याम ने ये सीट को सेलेक्ट कर रहा है, इफ श्याम selects this seat, then what, this seat is definitely different than this seat। Okay, first of all he has 4 options। how, this seat is different because उसके लेफ्ट में राम आएगा, राइट में कोई नहीं है, ब्लैंक है। इफ ही चूज दिस सीट, उसके लेफ्ट में और राइट में कोई नहीं है। इफ ही चूज दिस सीट, उसके लेफ्ट में और राइट में कोई नहीं है, बट ही इज व्हाट, in this direction with respect to other object, getting, in this direction with respect to other object, that's why these two seats are distinct। which two seats, these two seats are distinct, this seat and this seat। okay, and again when he comes at this seat, उसके राइट में राम रहेगा और लेफ्ट में कोई नहीं है, means what, for the second object these 4 chairs are definitely different। okay, means Sham is having 4 options। suppose Sham has occupied this seat। okay, suppose Sham has occupied this seat। now next time Rahul comes and he want to sit again। ठीक है, यहाँ पे कौन बैठ गया, यहाँ पे राम आ गया, यहाँ पे श्याम आ गया। now Rahul wants to sit। now for the Rahul he has total 3 options। now all these 3 options are distinct। okay, this seat is what, उसके लेफ्ट में राम रहेगा, राइट में ब्लैंक है। दिस सीट इज व्हाट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट दोनों ब्लैंक है। ठीक है, एंड फॉर दिस सीट उसके राइट में श्याम है और लेफ्ट में कोई नहीं है। ओके, मीन्स व्हाट, द थर्ड पर्सन इज हैविंग 3 ऑप्शंस। ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द नीलेश व्हेन ही वांट्स टू सिट, सपोज द Rahul has selected this place, Rahul। okay, now when Nilesh comes, what happens, he has only 2 options, he has only 2 options, either this seat or this seat। so he will pick any one of these two। suppose he picked this Nilesh। okay, so उसके पास सिर्फ 2 ही है। ना ओमकार के लिए कितना चेयर बाकी है, ओमकार उसके लिए सिर्फ एक ही चेयर बाकी है। okay, now what, again these are all the options available with the 5 distinct objects, 1 4, so 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so which is nothing but 4 factorial। means what, 5 distinct objects, 5 distinct objects can be arranged in 4 factorial ways। okay, अगर 6 distinct objects रहेगा तो फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसके बाद 5 जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है उनके पास 5 फैक्टोरियल वेज है। 10 डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स रहेंगे तो सो दे विल सिट इन अ 9 फैक्टोरियल वेज। 15 different objects, 14 factorial ways। means what, if suppose we have n distinct objects, then we'll have n minus 1 factorial ways for the circular permutation with reference to object। this is very important। okay, now we'll see what is with reference to table, circular permutation with reference to table, with reference to table। okay, we'll take same those students, Ram, Sham, Rahul, Nilesh and Omkar। okay, and here we have now circular table। suppose this table is having eyes। okay, now with reference to table we are talking, this is our table। okay, and we have the same 5 chairs, 1 2 3 4 and 5 chairs. Okay. Now, whenever Rahul wants to sit, whenever Rahul comes, अभी राहुल के लिए ना ये जो 5 सीट है, now with reference to table you look with reference to table. अभी टेबल देख रहा है कि भाई राहुल किधर बैठने वाला है. Now for the table, this seat is different, this seat is different, this seat is, all 5 seats are different with reference to table. Okay. मतलब Rahul has 5 different options. If Rahul sits here with reference to table, this seat is different than this, because ये जो टेबल है ना, ये जो चेयर है ना, इसके टेबल के लेफ्ट में है, टेबल देख रहा है. पिछले केस में क्या था कि विथ रेफरेंस टू ऑब्जेक्ट था, दैट टाइम राम वाज लुकिंग फॉर द चेयर्स. नाउ in this case table is looking to the chairs. Okay. Now suppose Ram has occupied this seat. Ram has occupied this seat. Okay. First, this seat is for Ram. Now this seat is definitely different than remaining 4 seats. Matlab Ram has 5 options with reference to table. Okay. Then what about the Sachin? Definitely the Sachin has remaining 4. Now this C, whenever with reference to table is there, then this question becomes your linear combination. Now Sachin is having 4 distinct objects because he has all 4 chairs which are distinct with respect to this table, with reference to this table. We are talking about with reference to table. Okay. What about Rahul? राहुल के लिए सिर्फ 3 ऑप्शन है. सपोज यहाँ पे सचिन बैठ गया और यहाँ पे राहुल आ गया. ओके. अभी नीलेश के लिए कितने चेयर्स बाकी? 2 ही चेयर्स बाकी. सो नीलेश इज हैविंग 2 चेयर्स. ओके. व्हाट अबाउट ओमकार? ओमकार को सिर्फ एक ही चेयर बाकी है. नो व्हाट? मल्टीप्लाई 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 मल्टीप्लाई, विच इज नथिंग बट 5 फैक्टोरियल. ओके. मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन से, circular permutation number 1 with reference to object, circular permutation for n objects. Okay. So whenever with reference to object, so the answer will be n minus 1 factorial. And whenever you have with reference to table, the answer is n factorial. Trust me, most of the very general common questions are from the with reference to object, but most of the student don't know with reference to table wala case. This case is very very important as far as your competitive examinations are concerned. With reference to table is concerned, this is very very important. Okay. So this is nothing but your same as a linear arrangement. Okay. So I hope your concept is clear now. Okay. There is one more concept called as a clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement is same. So I hope you have seen that is a necklace. नेकलेस कैसा होता है? उसका क्लॉकवाइज एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज सेम होता है ना. यहाँ पे रेड रहेगा तो यहाँ पे भी रेड रहेगा, ब्लू रहेगा तो ब्लू, येलो रहेगा तो येलो. ओके. सो येलो का येलो रहेगा, ब्लू का ब्लू रहेगा और रेड का रेड रहेगा. दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज अ clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements are same. Okay. Suppose you have garland, गले में पहनते हैं ना हार, that is a garland. Okay. So this is a garland where we have, suppose here यहाँ पे येलो फ्लावर है, यहाँ पे येलो फ्लावर है तो यहाँ पे भी येलो फ्लावर रहेगा. सपोज यहाँ पे ब्लू फ्लावर है तो यहाँ पे भी ब्लू फ्लावर रहेगा. यहाँ पे ग्रीन रहेगा तो यहाँ पे भी ग्रीन रहेगा. मीन्स व्हाट, this garland is also having clockwise and anti-clockwise same. Necklace clockwise anti-clockwise arrangements are same. Okay. Whenever you have the clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements same, then your number of permutations become n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Why 2? Because we have to remove one duplication. Because ये पीला यहाँ पे जाएगा और ये पीला यहाँ पे जाएगा. One and the same thing. In n minus 1 factorial, we count these as a two different cases, but these are actually single case that we will remove by dividing 2. Okay, so with this we'll start questions. So our first question is, in how many ways can 10 boys sit in a circle? Now 10 boys circle में thumb rule is what? Whenever they have not mentioned anything with reference to table or with reference to objects, you directly consider with reference to object, because it is very general. With reference to object we have to consider. Now for 10 different boys, 10 distinct boys can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. That's it. This is our answer. Next, in how many ways 5 boys and 5 girls sit in a circle? अभी 5 boys and 5 girls है, so total कितने हो गए? 10 students. Let's consider. ये विदाउट एनी कंडीशन है, कंडीशन नहीं दे कि भाई पांचों बच्चे साथ में होना चाहिए, 5 गर्ल्स शुड नॉट बी टुगेदर. कंडीशन इज नॉट गिवन. सो व्हाट दे हैव गिवन कि भाई इन 10 स्टूडेंट्स को एक सर्कुलर टेबल पे बैठना है. तो 10 स्टूडेंट्स कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन 9 फैक्टोरियल वेज, n minus 1. n रहेगा तो आंसर विल बी n minus 1 फैक्टोरियल. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Now see, I have added condition to this. 5 boys and 5 girls sit in a circle so that no two boys sit together. No two boys sit together. If you have seen my fun class 2, there I have told you one thumb rule. That is, whenever you have no together case, then what we have is alternate arrangement. Alternate arrangement. Okay. Now see here. Suppose we'll have circle here. Okay, 5 boys and 5 girls means total we should require 10 chairs. So 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the 10 chairs we have. No two boys sit together means what? We have alternate arrangement. Alternate means I want boy girl boy girl boy girl. Boys बोला है, फर्स्ट अरेंज गर्ल्स. ऑपोजिट ऑब्जेक्ट को अरेंज करना है. फर्स्ट अरेंज गर्ल्स. सो 5 गर्ल्स कैन बी अरेंज्ड एट अ सर्कुलर टेबल इन हाउ मेनी वेज? सर ये तो हो गए 4 फैक्टोरियल वेज में. ओके, सपोज G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5, these are the 5 girls we have arranged in a 4 factorial ways. Definitely girls circular table पे arrange कर रहे हैं, so 4 factorial ways. Now see, for first boy there are 5 boys. For first boy B1, for first boy B1, how many options he have? He has, see here, he has 1, this is different, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 seats are distinct seats. Why? This it in between G1 and G2. This seat is in between G4 and G3. Okay, so for B1 he has 5 options. B2 के कितने options है? B2 के लिए 4 options. B3 3 options. 2 sorry, B4 के लिए 2 and B5 के लिए सिर्फ only 1 option. Once you have arranged girls, the boys see all the chairs are distinct, so question becomes linear permutation. So टेंशन नहीं लेना है. कैसे करना है? एक बार अगर गर्ल को फिक्स कर दिया तो 5 बच्चों को 5 सीट में कैसे अरेंज करेंगे? हाउ यू विल अरेंज 5 boys at a 5 distinct chairs that we have studied in our previous fun classes. 5 factorial ways. So in total our answer becomes 4 factorial into 5 factorial. This 4 factorial is for girls, this 5 factorial is for boys. So this is my final answer. Next question. In how many ways 12 gentlemen sit around a table so that three specified gentlemen are always together. Okay, again with reference, I am referring my fun class 2. There I have given a thumb rule that always together case means what? We have to form a group. Okay, we have to form a distinct group. कितने लोगों का ग्रुप बनाना है? कि भाई 3 लोगों को साथ में होना चाहिए. Suppose this is the case. Okay, and we have 3 specific persons, 3 specified gentlemen. Suppose 1, 2, this is gentleman 1, gentleman 2, and gentleman 3. Okay, so these 3 gentlemen want to sit around a table together. Okay, बाकी के कितने अभी? Now the remaining are 9. Okay, now see how many distinct objects we get now. ये 9 total और ये एक distinct object है. So total we have 10 distinct objects. Total we have 10 distinct objects that we have to arrange at a circular table. Now 10 distinct objects can be arranged in 9 factorial ways around a table. Okay, but if you focus here, but if you see here, G1 G2 G3 ये खुद में भी परमिट हो सकते हैं ना भाई. यहाँ पे G2 आ सकता है, यहाँ पे G3 आ सकता है, यहाँ पे G1 आ सकता है. 3 distinct people can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. ये खुद में परम्यूटेशन होता है. फन क्लास नंबर 1 and 2. These 3 people can arrange themselves in 3 factorial ways. So इसका आंसर आएगा 3 factorial ways. Okay, so our final answer is 3 factorial ways. So 9 factorial is what? For the total number of 10 distinct objects, we have 9 factorial. And this small group is having 3 factorial. So this is my final answer. Next. In how many ways 8 students can be arranged at a round table so that 2 particular students sit together? Again, 2 particular sit together means we have to form a group. Okay. Now students are arranged with respect to each other and students are arranged with respect to table. So this question has already appeared in your one of previous year question paper. Okay, with respect to each other means what? With respect to object, with respect to table, definitely this is nothing but our linear combination, permutation. 8 students, so we have one circle here, 8 students, and there are 2 particular students. Suppose this is B1 and B2. These 2 boys want to sit together. Let's form one group. Okay, बाकी के कितने अभी? So बाकी के 6 लोग हैं. ये 6 और ये 2 8. Now how many distinct groups we have? This 6 and this is 1. So total we have 7 distinct groups. 7 distinct groups can be arranged in 6 factorial ways with reference to each other. We are looking at A. Okay, 7 distinct objects can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. बट इसका क्या करना है? इसका भी आएगा ना खुद का परम्यूटेशन इनटू 2 factorial ways. So this is the answer for your first question A. Now what about the second? Now students are arranged with reference to table. Okay, your question concept with reference to table means what? Linear permutation. We have total, okay, let me erase this. Okay, so we have arranged students B1 and B2 and यहाँ here we have 6. ये 2 और ये 6 8 हो गया. How many total distinct objects? Sorry, this is one single group. So how many total distinct groups we have here is 7 distinct groups. 7 distinct groups can be arranged in 7 factorial ways whenever you consider with reference to table. Okay, and ये खुद में 2 बार अरेंज हो सकते हैं ना 2 factorial ways में. So this is nothing but 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, I hope you are getting. So what will be the answer then? इसका रहेगा 6 factorial into 2 factorial and इसका रहेगा 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Next, in 11 members of committee sit at a round table so that president and secretary always sit together. Then the number of arrangement, अभी खुद से बताओ अभी इन दोनों को always साथ में रखना है. टोटल आपके पास 11 लोग हैं. अभी सर्कल बिरकल मत निकालो. Okay, so you have total 11, sorry, you have total 11 members. उसमें प्रेसिडेंट एंड सेक्रेटरी दोनों को साथ में बैठना है. चलो यहाँ पे सॉरी यहाँ पे प्रेसिडेंट आ गए और यहाँ पे सेक्रेटरी आ गया, दोनों का एक ग्रुप बना दो. ठीक है, 11 में से 2 गए, बाकी के कितने 9 लोग हैं. कितने टोटल डिस्टिंक्ट ग्रुप्स हो गए 9 आणि 1 10. सो टोटल 10 डिस्टिंक्ट ग्रुप्स हो गए. अराउंड अ टेबल है. ठीक है, कुछ दिया नहीं विद रेफरेंस टू टेबल ऑब्जेक्ट, तो ऑब्जेक्ट ही लेना है. सो ये हो गया 9 फैक्टोरियल वेज. ये दोनों खुद में भी परमिट हो सकते हैं. सो दैट इज 2 फैक्टोरियल वेज में. सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 9 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल. In books you will find the formulas, but please don't remember the formulas, remember the understand the concept. ठीक है, सी ये दोनों का ग्रुप है. सो ये दोनों का पहला 2 फैक्टोरियल आ गया. ये 11 में से 2 गए तो कितना आ गया 9 फैक्टोरियल. ठीक है, इफ यू सी प्रीवियसली सिट वॉन्ट ईच अदर, दोनों का ग्रुप है 8 लोग हैं. दोनों का ग्रुप है तो फर्स्ट का 2 फैक्टोरियल कर दो. 8 में से 2 गए 6 फैक्टोरियल, उसका 6 फैक्टोरियल आ गया. सी उसका पहला वाला क्वेश्चन देखो. 3 स्पेसिफाइड जेंटलमैन वांट टू सिट टुगेदर. 3 स्पेसिफाइड है तो इसका 3 फैक्टोरियल आ गया. ठीक है, 12 में से 3 गए कितना है 9, ये उसका 9 फैक्टोरियल आ गया. दिस इज माई टोटल आंसर. ठीक है, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट्स. ओके, so we'll stop here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked, please like the video, share this video, and please subscribe this channel to get more videos and more questions. We'll see next part in the next video. Thank you.